Shalom, shalom, it's David, and this exercise is the Bodyweight Hip Airplane. So begin by finding the bottom position of your single leg deadlift, which is where we start our hip airplane. You're going to open your hips out as far as you can to the side, come back down, overclose them slightly, and come back to neutral. So we open the hips, slow and controlled, close them back down, overclose, back to neutral. Move slowly. This is an advanced exercise that takes lots of balance. Second side and front view. So I begin by finding my single leg deadlift position, moving slowly, maintaining my balance, open to the side, overclose back down, back to neutral. Open, overclose back down, back to neutral. Overclose, back to neutral. And that is the Bodyweight Hip Airplane. Peace.